Hello guys, so Ray J, and in this video I'll be unboxing the RavPower Xtreme series portable charger. I initially purchased this portable charger because of its charging capabilities and sheer power that it can store and the juice that it can actually push out. I was looking on the market at the time for essentially the largest portable charger in terms of milliamps, and I came across this monster. It's a 26,800 milliamp battery, and there's no wonder it's an Xtreme series portable charger, because this thing can charge my Samsung Galaxy S7 from 0 to full 8 times and still have some juice left. Oh yeah, and bear in mind that this phone has a 3000 milliamp battery in it, so that's really impressive. So let's go ahead and open up the box. As you can see, we are first greeted with a really colourful looking inside, which I think is a great touch and a really nice colour choice, so nice one RavPower. We have a little warranty card inside which mentions a 30-month warranty as long as you register the product, which I think is excellent. Next we have a user manual, and I've got to say again, I really like the design of this. Nice and simplistic and reminiscent of Anker product designs. Anyone else agree? So inside this box it looks like we have a carrying case and a charging cable, since there are tiny little icons on the bottom right indicating this. So again, I've got to say I am loving the attention to detail here. Alright, so we've got the carrying case nicely wrapped up inside the box, but you may notice the cables aren't to be seen. Well, that's because the cable is neatly kept inside. Oh yeah, and rather than just one cable, you are given two, which is a nice surprise. I guess they really are hitting hard on the hardcore power hungry users, eh? I mean, I would have been happy with just one, but the fact they have offered two, one of which is small and one which is a longer cable to kind of suit your needs, it's a great addition. So these cables actually feel and look pretty solid too, and I can tell they are well made. As you can see, they are also spaghetti flat cables, which is nice and will help you to distinguish between other cables and also reduce the amount of cable tie-ups. Lastly, we have the other box, which contains the portable charger itself. Thanks for choosing RavPower. Well, thank you RavPower for making this. Inside we've got the mammoth charger, which is wrapped in plastic. Even though the device is simplistic and just black, I do think it actually looks really nice in all fairness. It's made of a nice material which feels really nice in the hand, and if I'm honest, it doesn't even feel cheap compared to the price point of this device. I've used some other portable chargers that have felt cheaper than this one. On the bottom you've got the usual kind of information you would find, and as you can see, it's a 26,800 mAh battery. Awesome. It's a pretty chunky, big and heavy device, but well, that is kind of expected due to the sheer charging capabilities and power that it can output. It has a micro USB cable to charge the device and 3 smart USB ports, basically detecting the best power option for the device being charged and then sending out the optimal output so that the device being charged can charge effectively and efficiently. So it won't be wasting any unnecessary milliamps that your thirsty phone or device will need. On the front we have a button which can tell you the battery level, which is displayed by the 4 battery level indicators which are lit up in blue. The button would also be used to manually charge the device, but because the device is smart, when it detects something is plugged into it, it will automatically charge it. Since I do travel a fair amount and will sometimes go to festivals or concerts, I wanted the best that I could get hold of at the time, and this definitely ticked all of the boxes. Since I have many devices that support USB charging, it really did make sense. This means I can charge my phone, camera, action camera, Nintendo Switch and many other devices on the go, which really does save my bacon. So this has been my unboxing and overview of the RavPower Xtreme series portable charger RP-PB41 if you want specifics. And if you're looking for a powerful charger, I would recommend one of these. I've used it for a good amount of time now, and I've got to say it's definitely done me proud in battery quality, and overall it is really good. If you want to see more tech related content each week, then don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching the video. This has been a Ray J.